Obwa. He's a liar. Now I tell you what Jimmy Nobeji Sanko has done with. Obwa or Shahina Obompaye and Elijah or better describe Elijah and Elisha. Obwa. The Elisha no Crampono was made up in the Bible. Obu Cromono, Obiampon, me say, Owusu Bempah kind of cre, and you don't know, Nikita schoolboys from church, so a baby, small branches, no one man church. They are taking your money to survive. Okotina, so me here, what be doing there.
I understand mama kwa ba edeba attention TV so mama PSC na natili na madu mekunya kese e attention TV so na me ba be de sem egu go se ni ente say te say book bia ye bi me ne heavy book an kasa kese asori dan book na me bi mu attention TV so ene me be giant se no egu go se ku ha e de ama metiefo na mahwefo na te say omo fa e de ahye ombe bi de say wa wo hu ne ko oh my god ene ko that sorry and then Kelvin Taylor can't drink kasa. Actually, Reverend Owusu Bempah. And it Reverend Obofour. Somebody that knows him say, now Bempah now could make a consent chaser. Oh papa sir. The Reverend Owusu Bempah then they know shit now. I see Reverend Obofour the man to say so. I say maybe she should what to say. Me na say omuku etiana we say bibi she hunti na omo some me nkona me nkoti emba.
Unim Elijah. Unim Noah. Unim Ay3ka. Unim oba waran man watna ware ase. Oya kromfo on kan kre. Unim Elijah. Where's your Ay3ka? Where's your Noah? Where's your Elijah? When to me an kan cho Nyankopon se mame oba metune na tena kopim se mewu. Oye nipa won kan kre. O say enkomfo bra. Stop it, master. Now, omon conscience say na betie. What first small boys on TV home.
This is
Oboko Cafe. No Google.
Subscribe
2024. What is going to happen in the science world? I know what they do. Owusu Bempah small boy on the Diomechino. Kakaroma ko SS no. Ose Oboko Cafe. File phone bra. Google 2024 mysteries about the world. 2026 mysteries about the world. Go to this website. Go to the science. Ko BBC. Go to the science category. Go to CNN Science Future event. Omukwa no makoshe nyoma because akosi broni nyoma besi in the next 2, 5, 6, 7 months, 2 years. Onim say typhoon bi besi Malaysia 2025. Onim say the way the clouds are changing because of global warming. Onim say in Africa anya krabe 80% in Sobeto our sub-Saharan Africa it's going to be heavy rains because of the way the weather pattern is changing. Enti akosibro ne dinkan ahwehwem nim say in the next 2, 3, 4 years no so we 100% to be 70%, and that is what Owusu Bempah they capitalize on. Who doesn't know say in Africa as we speak, in West Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, Benin, Togo, Cote d'Ivoire, other countries, West African countries, we are sitting on a time bomb because a common food insecurity. We are talking about leaders who do not respect the constitutions. We are talking about leaders who don't want to give the people their right. The probability of war breaking out in our neighboring countries and breaking out in Ghana is 99.9. Who doesn't know that?
Last time I catch a software be said me two way. Mahunu Sana, Menena Hosano, Mahunu Moses da, Mahunu Elijah da, Mahunu Enoch, Mahunu Noah, Mahunu Isaiah, Mahunu Jeremiah. In fact, Mahunu did for Samuel da. Ebra, Nami shet, baby, I may Bempah, I may train your name. A radia domas uncle for you, be you who had it back. Met me at describe when you actually said your mutia, Mahu Elijah da. Men come from Germany. In the moment.
Car mumalam issues no mu use. In the 31st night, say na come in commission bebo from Owusu Bempah Nikita school boys in Kwasi Afon council we are suffer for organ me see where mama can correct or my musike dia check. You better stop it. We are going to start a revolution to stop these things. Abraham Bemoshe has started, we will help him. Abraham Bemoshe, on country obi asema ne nkwa sorry, on country obi asema ne nsum nyame, ose fa wadwene fa sum nyankopon no, mema so for kwasea mpanyi bi enye den en use na adwene e ma wonya kwasea in the name of me sum nyankopon. He has never stood anywhere else to say nyankopon ni ho anase men sum nyankopon, but be intelligent when you are worshiping God. O nyankopon no kra wo sum na wonim nyanse bo so wagimi. So we are going to help this revolution of sanitizing the minds of young Africans for them to understand religion is religion. It is not the antidote to our problems. Our problem is that we are stupid to think. Your problem as Africans and as Ghanaians say, we are failing to understand, say we need to think deep and solve our problems. It's simple as that. Say kwanwe ka faswa konipa 8 die na ose say Yaya La Pass overhead. My best friend died on that stretch. Yaya La Pass overhead. Yaya stretch way. Now still people are climbing the fence to go through and climb Abra footbridge. What do? You seal it to the point whereby nobody can even climb. Where in the best 6 feet, people are still climbing. What do? Common sense. You should be able to think through it and say no. We should be able to do it in such a way that nobody can climb it. It's one of these stupid things we are not thinking. My best friend died because of the lack of intelligence and using our mind to solve our own problems. Here, Jimmy Dodo. We have been too stupid. We have put all our problems that we can solve on a religion. But a religion now, and opinion sang to religion. People preserved that religion. And come Jimmy Nanka, the Oman scribing it down. Oman fancy Bibia say, this is why I am a Christian. No, because somebody was intelligent to know that that time we need to document it. We need to put it down. Send it shows some people we use wisdom. It is about time we started applying wisdom. Yeah, Jimmy Dodo sowing seed. Mensa Otabo, the Bible calls Ghana, Ghana. Mensa Otabo, he can give you $2 million cash from his room. Duncan Williams can give you 100 million. So, people who save their monies. Mensa Otabo, Duncan Williams, Omo accountant, they live in America. They manage their monies. They should come out and say, I'm lying. Duncan Williams, Mensa Otabo, Monesa, are sorry, their monies are not even being managed in Ghana. It's being managed overseas. How foolish can you people be? How stupid can we be? And then we have turned the whole country's problem into a religious problem. Now, Africa and building their nations, news a religion, but they have taken decisions. They have thought through things. They have decided to think. Yeah, they Jimmy Ghana for Dodono. Seed also for the past 4 years. Yes, say 2022. I was so seed bear to 20 times. Calculate that money. Where Jimmy? Are you stupid? O Bempah ko jina so dey say me so seed. Ubu party say so for no jina weni mu na. O ko yire di ma o to wasa adoma anoma. On sale. He's human like you. In the 31st night, they are gunning. They are getting ready. They are ready to come and extort you. Cross over, jump over, dive over. Nina a words. Akwaba kumi nam Ghana is a ring. Be sali for amako kronfo. We used to hunyina, we used to tunyina. O need to me be a or kronfo ye. And we need to get these things right. When we get these things right, kwasiebin to me da because through religion we get politics. Religion, the backbone, politics that started religion. The Christians or the Romans did politics and they built a religion. You need to understand. Into politics is a daily thing. It should be part of you. It is through the way you will think, and then they will change you. Brabo.
Share me some about the bar. Attention TV, so they be a catch say attention TV dear. Young funny mapa. We're gonna have income with the heaven baby spiritual aspect. You been your prophets for what is a more quadre. Will soon near one, but nothing. You see, you can more pese in some about political aspect. So you been your politicians for more quadre or politics in one, but not what I do man entertainment and so you been your uncle for one, but no, but not say, just see who so say, and of course, anything. concerning bibian ye fa income de eh ni etwagu ye de anu odin o Kelvin Taylor de asembe bagana we de nye kwakufu pa we de Kelvin Taylor ade trouble Reverend Owusu Bempah ne Reverend Obofour sa ye so eja Bempah ka asem say so woni akola edidi a sebi otafre wanti ni beba no Bempah a moti asori kese se anu ochina se we sese we di bo bi ni makola no bi nsusu eni mo panyi enim so we ya makola nto kan bi kura mi ni mu panyi nsusu hu se we ye se anakola hu se we ye panyi nto be kan be di we tuma we na we tuma we nti ne mo ye nti na aja ama Kelvin Taylor so aba bonti on nsusu aba be desem eni ye professional we ni mu ode e de achemakra mo da se ne sambe shewo attention to so